Our top story now, Rahul Gandhi is keen on keeping the doors open for Sachin Pilot. Sources in the Congress have told NDTV. The party also has reined in Ashok Gehlot, asking him to tone down his statements against his former deputy. Mr. Gandhi had no direct contact with Mr. Pilot yet, though he has spoken to him once over the weekend, while Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had touched base with him thrice. Much now depends on Mr. Pilot, but the party challenged the rebel leader to stop fraternizing with the BJP and give up the hospitality of a BJP-ruled state. That Haryana has no indication, however, about his next move, is what sources have told NDTV. Now, as Gehlot accused the Pilot and the BJP of horse trading, the MLA and the minister loyal to Sachin Pilot have hit back. MLA Murari Lal Meena and Minister Ramesh Meena have released videos where they say, we want to ask Gehlot, when the BSP and the Congress merged in his second term as Chief Minister, how much did they give? While they implicate Gehlot, it's almost an admission that they also took a bribe.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जो लोग इनसे असंतुष्ट थे, इनकी कार्यशैली से, इनके कामकाज से पूरे राजस्थान में ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हावी था और काम जनप्रतिनिधियों के नहीं हो रहे थे। हमने जो मांगे रखी, जो हमने बातें रखी, कैबिनेट में भी रखी, उन पर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने ध्यान नहीं दिया और तानाशाही रवैया अपनाया और जो लोकतंत्र जो कायम होना चाहिए सरकार में, उसको इन्होंने स्थापित नहीं होने दिया। और आज ये बात कहते हैं कि करोड़ों के लेन देन की बात हो रही है, तो मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हम जब बसपा में थे और कांग्रेस जब हमने ज्वाइन की तो हमें कितने पैसे दिए, बताएं ईमानदारी से, सत्य से कि कितने पैसे दिए, उसका खुलासा करें।
देखो, राजस्थान के मुख्यमंत्री अशोक जी गहलोत को आम जनता जादूगर कहती है। आज जिस तरह से उन्होंने आरोप लगाए हमारे सबके ऊपर, वो इस बात को सिद्ध करता है कि वो वास्तव में जादूगर है। जादूगर को जनता में भ्रम फैलाने की क्षमता होती है। वो जादू में ऐसी चीज दिखा देता है जो हकीकत और होती है और वास्तविकता और होती है। आज उन्होंने जिस तरह से हम लोगों को ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप लगाए, इससे हमें बड़ा धक्का पहुंचा है, हमें बड़ा दुख है। मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि जब पिछली बार उनकी सरकार थी और हमने जब बहुजन समाज पार्टी से जब हम कांग्रेस में आए थे तो हमने उनसे कितना पैसा लिया था।
Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu now for more. And Sunil, an ugly attack there on Ashok Gehlot by those leaders who are close to Sachin Pilot. But at the same time, NDTV has learned from sources that Rahul Gandhi is keen to leave a door open for Sachin.
Well, they have always left that door open, and that's what we've been reflecting. I don't know whether you can just put it to Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, of course, has been saying that the party has given him a lot, and it will be wrong to have left him go. So it's in that backdrop that we are seeing these things unfold. Definitely, they want the return of the prodigal son, as I've been telling you in biblical terms. But whether he will do it or not, much depends on Sachin. Sachin is still keen on the chief ministership. He feels that he's been wronged. He feels that there has been a great amount of mistrust between him and Mr. Gehlot. And in this war of words and these attacks between each other, what does it send to the people of Rajasthan and the party? I mean, ultimately, they would try to bury their differences, but the damage has been done, and this is something that they will have to take note of some way or the other. But having said that, definitely, the place for approachment is being made. They are trying to find a way forward, but we'll have to wait. I think you'll need a few days for tempers to cool before some kind of truce is found.